Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. So in this video I would like to explaining in details on MCQs of SHAPER, PLANER and slaughter machines. So this is our session number 5. So first of all, subscribe my channel for the preparation as well as the fundamental knowledge about mechanical engineering. Then we will start with our question number 1. Clapper box of a SHAPER is used for option A. Avoid overhanging of tools. Option B. Leave the tool in the middle of the stroke. Option C. Leave the tool during return stroke. And option D. Leave the tool during the cutting stroke. So basically clapper box in a SHAPER machines that will be used for lifting a tool. So after completing a forward stroke, lifting the tool during the return stroke. So by that lifting of the tool during the return stroke, or you can say starting of the return stroke, so that will be considering as an ideal stroke. So there will be no any kind of machining take place, or you can say metal cutting take place. So only cutting it will be into forward stroke. So by lifting of the tool during the return stroke by the help of a clapper box, so that will be converting as an ideal stroke. So the right answer is option C. Lift the tool during return stroke. The next cutting tool used in planing machine is option A. Multi-point cutting tool. Option B. Single point cutting tool. Option C. End mill cutter. And option D. None of the above. So basically in case of the planing, we always use a single point cutting tool. So either it will be SHAPER or planer, it will be single point cutting tool. So the option B. The next, in a planer, option A, the tool is stationary and workpiece reciprocates. Option B, work is stationary and tool reciprocates. Option C, the tool moves over stationary workpiece. Option D, the tool moves over reciprocating workpiece. So basically by the construction and working of planer machine, so the tool is being stationary and workpiece is being reciprocating. So the right answer is option A. So basically in case of the SHAPER machines, the workpiece is become stationary and tool is being reciprocated. So according to the different kind of machines, it will be having a different kind of options. Then next, large jobs on SHAPER are held with the help of option A, vice. Option B, clamps and T-bolts. Option C, magnetic vice. And option D, clamps, bolts and squares. So basically for the large jobs onto the SHAPER, it always used to hold the workpiece as a clamps, bolt and with the help of squares. So the right answer is option D. Then we will see the next question. For proper sitting of the work in a SHAPER vise, for machining the work should be supported on option A, jaws. Option B, clamps. Option C, flats. And option D, parallels. So basically for the proper sitting of the workpiece in a SHAPER vise, so you will use a parallels for the supporting. So the right answer is parallels. Then next, flat thin work is held on a planer by option A, C-clamps and angle plates. Option B, toe docks and stops. Option C, clamping stops, and option D, magnetic vice. So for basically thin were held onto the planer by the application of toe docks and stops. So the right answer is option B. Then next, cylindrical parts are held on planer by option A, V-blocks and arrestors, option B, angle plates, option C, V-blocks, T-bolts and clamps, and option D, clamps. So basically cylindrical parts are held on a planer with the help of V-blocks, T-bolts and clamps. So if you want to learn in details, so you will find a link in my description box for different kind of clamping devices. Then next question. The feed of the job in a SHAPER is done by option A, movements of the clapper box, option B, table movements, option C, ram movements, and option D, tool movements. So basically in case of a SHAPER machines, the feed is provided with the help of table movements. Then next, the cutting speed of the tool in a mechanical SHAPER is option A, maximum at the beginning of the cutting stroke, option B, maximum at the end of the cutting stroke, option C, maximum at the middle of the cutting stroke, and option D, uniform throughout the cutting stroke. So basically in cut of the cutting speed of the tool in a mechanical SHAPER, so that will be maximum you will find into the middle of the cutting stroke. So the right answer is option C, middle of the cutting stroke. Then next, which of the following work holding device is preferred for shaping a keyway in a cylindrical shaft? Option A, V-block, option B, an angle plate, option C, a dividing head, and option D, a SHAPER vice. So in case of the work holding device, a V-block is being preferred for shaping a keyway in a cylindrical shaft. So the right answer is option A. So if you like this, then subscribe and share more mechanical engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.